Welcome, my dear students. Today's lesson will be about the quadrilaterals, which are one of the types of polygons. Before our lesson, we have to know the relations between any two straight lines. The first relation is intersecting lines. Intersecting. If we have two straight lines AB and CD, these two straight lines intersect at one point. Any two straight lines intersect means meet. Intersect at one point. This relation is called intersecting. The second relation is perpendicular. Perpendicular lines. We have two straight lines intersect at one point, but make right angles. Make right angles. Straight line AB is perpendicular to straight line AB is perpendicular to straight line CD. Straight line AB is perpendicular to CD. This sign means perpendicular. Perpendicular, like this. The last relation, parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. Straight line AB is parallel to straight line CD. Parallel lines means never intersect. Never intersect. Like this, or like this, or like this. AB straight line is parallel to straight line CD. Straight line AB is parallel to straight line CD. This is the sign of parallel to. Is parallel to, like this. Now we will start our lesson. The first quad we will talk about is square. Square has four equal sides. Has four equal sides. AB equal BC equal CD equal DA. And has four right angles. Has four right angles. And each two opposite sides, the side AB is opposite to CD. Each two opposite sides are parallel, and the CB is opposite to AD. BC is parallel to AD. Each two opposite sides are parallel. And AC is called diagonal. It's called diagonal. And DB is called diagonal. The diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Bisect each other means the length of MA is equal to the length of MC, and the length of MB is equal to the length of MD. And the diagonals also are equal in length. square has 6 properties. The diagonals also are perpendicular. Make right angles. Then the properties of a square are 4 equal sides, 4 right angles, each two opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals bisect each other and equal in length and perpendicular. The second quad is rectangle. Rectangle ABCD has 5 properties. First, each two opposite sides are equal in length. AB is equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. Each two opposite sides are equal in length and also has 4 right angles. Has 4 right angles. The third property, each two opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC. BC is parallel to AD. The diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Bisect means the length of MA is equal to the length of MC and the length of MB is equal to the length of MD. And also the diagonals are equal in length. The length of AC is equal to the length of DB. A third quad, rhombus. Rhombus. The rhombus ABCD. The rhombus has 4 properties. First, the rhombus has 4 equal sides. Has 4 equal sides. AB is equal to BC, is equal to CD, is equal to DA. And each two opposite sides are parallel. Each two opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other and perpendicular. Perpendicular. So the properties of rhombus has 4 equal sides. Each two opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals bisect each other and perpendicular. The fourth quad, parallelogram. 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 The parallelogram ABCD. The parallelogram has 3 properties. Each two opposite sides are equal in length. AB is equal to CD, and AD is equal to BC. And also, each two opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC, and AD is parallel to BC. The diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Bisect means MA is equal to MC. MD is equal to MB. The last quadrilateral is trapezium. Trapezium. Trapezium is a quad which has four sides and only has two parallel lines. Has only two parallel lines, like AD is parallel to BC. In general, we have to know 5 quadrilaterals, which are square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. Square has 4 equal sides, has 4 right angles, each two opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals bisect each other and equal in length and perpendicular. Square has all the properties. Rectangle. Each two opposite sides are equal in length. Has 4 right angles. Each two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. Each two opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals are equal like square and bisect each other. Rhombus has 4 equal sides. Each two opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals bisect each other and perpendicular like square. Parallelogram, each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. The diagonals bisect each other. Trapezium has only 2 parallel lines. We have to note first, all quadrilaterals have 2 diagonals. Any quad has 2 diagonals and has 4 sides. The polygon which has no diagonals is triangle. Triangle has no diagonal. The first exercise complete. What is a quad has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles? Square. What and what are quad? Have 4 right angles. 4 right angles, square sure, and rectangle. In what and what and what each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. In what and what the diagonals are perpendicular. Perpendicular. Square. Square has all the properties. And rhombus. The diagonals of what and what are equal in length. Square. Rectangle. The diagonals are what in square and rhombus. Diagonals, square, rhombus, perpendicular, perpendicular. The diagonals are what in square and rectangle. Diagonals in a rectangle equal in length. The quad in which only two opposite sides are parallel has only two parallel sides. Trapezium. The polygon which has no diagonals is called triangle. Any quad has how many diagonals? 4. Two diagonals. Has 4 sides. The diagonals of what and what are perpendicular. Perpendicular. Square, rhombus. The second exercise. The parallelogram is a quad in which each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Yes. The diagonals of square are equal and perpendicular. Yes. The measure of the angle of a rectangle is 45 degree. Wrong. 90 degree. Right. In the square, all sides are equal. Yes. In the rectangle, all sides are equal. Wrong. Rhombus, all sides are equal. In the rhombus, all sides are equal. Yes. The diagonals of the rhombus is perpendicular. Yes. In the square and the rhombus, the diagonals are equal. Wrong. Square and rectangle. The 4 angles of parallelogram are right. Wrong. In a square and a rectangle. In the trapezium, each two opposite sides are parallel. Wrong. This is the end of our lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.